Guys, I'm going to show you today these metal lightsabers. Okay, so that's a connector. That's a metal handle. It's black color. And that's a second metal lightsaber. And what you can do is you can actually see this connector, which you can buy for about $12. Screw it on like that. And this lightsaber is about, probably set you back about $160 or so each. You buy them in a bundle, you usually get a little cheaper, and it comes with a free connector as well. You buy it both of them at the same time, and that gives you a connected two lightsabers, and that would be you know, a Lightstaff. Anyway, so that's that, and I'll just show you how the lightsaber operate on its own. So these lightsabers comes with RGB LED, meaning that it comes with about 11 different colors. It comes with a button, charging port, and you turn it on by just pressing it.
2, 3, 1.
So it turns on. As you swing it, it has sound effects. So that's a flashing effect. This comes with instructions as well, and you would pick up how to use it very quickly. So that's like another pink color sort of thing. Now I'll just assemble the blade. So to turn it off, you hold on about 5 seconds, and it turns itself off. Okay, I'll just grab a blade. So this is a durable PVC blade, made for combat, brand new blade, and all you got to do is just assemble a blade like this. And it comes with hang on a sec. And it comes with a charging cable and an Allen key and spare screwdrivers. So the Allen key, you just got to use the Allen key to tighten the blade. Very simple, easy assembly. And after that, you're good to go. You're pretty much combat ready. Now I'll just turn on and show you the colour. It's a bit bright in here, so the colour won't come out as nice when it's a bit when you're in a darker room. That's a green colour, flashing green colour. Another colour again. Alright, so this is basically it. So you just to turn it off, hold on for about 5 seconds. Thanks for watching.